Hi, good morning everyone. Myself Tushar Pandey. I welcome you all in second mega summit of IUF and Education Excellence Award.
I am Poshali Mukherjee. I am from Sri Shikshatin School, Kolkata.
Okay, this is the first time in IUF first.
Yes. This is
What are your expectations from IUF?
to make a lot of friends, to learn so much, because I think that is what is the paradigm shift talking about. It's learning and unlearning and learning again.
Okay, according to you, what are the challenges of 21st century principles?
See, we have to keep on updating ourselves with the latest developments, especially with technology, but we have to keep remembering that children are getting lost with the social world. That is something which I think is the biggest challenge, to blend technology with empathy with social learning.
Okay, what contribution principal can make in nation building?
Oh my goodness, they are the builders. They are the ones who are building it up. They are the ones who will give the child all the dreams. They will give the child the avenues, the openings for life, and they will be the ones who will actually build the global citizens.
Priya Sridharan, Principal of Ramachandra Public School, Chennai.
Okay, this is the first visit to Kolkata?
Yeah, of course, first visit, more excited and thrilled.
Okay, what is your main objective to attend this meet?
I'm just excited to know about the insight of emerging challenges in school education. Was more excited to learn about that and to share the knowledge gained here with my peer groups. Administrator, we play a different role as a principal, as an administrator, teacher, felicitator. Day in and day out, we face so many challenges, and no doubt this program is going to take me to the next level to lead my school. And thanks to IEF chairman, and big thanks to all the dignitaries of IEF. And I have been nominated for a panel discussion also, and given a very interesting topic, teaching and learning skill of 21st century.
Hi, good morning, sir.
मॉर्निंग
Your
सर
name and your school name, please.
रोहित अग्रवाल सेंट जेवियर्स हाई स्कूल कंटामांजी उड़ीसा डिस्ट्रिक्ट।
Okay, what are your expectations from this IUF meet?
बहुत बढ़िया प्रोग्राम है, प्रोग्राम अच्छा हो रहा है और भगवान से प्रार्थना करता है ये भी बहुत ऊपर जाए और भगवान से हमेशा प्रार्थना और हमारा सहयोग हमेशा रहेगा। धन्यवाद सर।
Thank you for coming, sir. Thank you for coming.
Myself, Komachan Joshi, from Farokabad, UP, AP Public School.
Okay, is this the first visit to Kolkata?
Yeah, this is the first visit.
Okay, what are you looking forward for this meet?
Yeah, I'm looking forward, and I'm going to meet some of the dignitaries, people doing a wonderful job in the field of education. I have to learn a lot from each and every prospects, and each and every the people are getting the experience in the last 20-30 years. And I'm thinking what quality I have to adopt from their quality and their personalities.
Hello, this is Dr. Lekhraj Thakur from Elite International School, Jhajjar. My main objective is simply to meet with all the intellectuals of our country, and I have some words to share with them. Simple thing is that being a principal, I would rather say to all the teachers, intellectuals and those who are coordinated over here, कि कई बार मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि we are simply producing puppets. We are not producing good human beings. कि मार्क्स चाहिए, परसेंटेज अच्छी हो, ये हो, वो फलाना दिगड़ा हो. तो मैं इसलिए कहता हूँ कि जैसे आचार्य चाणक्य जी ने कहा था कि शिक्षक ही देश का निर्माता और विध्वंसक हो सकता है. तो माई मेन मोटिव हेयर इज़ टू टेल अदर टीचर्स एंड शेयर माई ऑन व्यूज़ कि हम अच्छे इंसान पैदा करें, ताकि एक बार फिर से हम ये कह सकें कि एतत् देश प्रसूतस्य सकाशाल अग्र जन्मनः स्वम चम चित्रम शिखरम पृथ्व्याम सर्वमानवः, कि इंडिया ही सब कुछ था, भारत ही सब कुछ था, आर्यवर्त ही सब कुछ था, कि हमारे यहाँ ही सारा ब्रेन था, है और रहेगा.
I am Virendra Prasad from Gyan Niketan, Patna.
How are you looking forward for this meet? What are your main objectives to attend this meet?
Actually, this is my first occasion at this place. I am a newcomer to this particular group. Expectations are a lot high. I want to learn something new. I just am looking forward for whatever the new things have come into our education, so that I can go back to my school and implement it as far as possible.
How this sort of meet makes a difference in principal's life? Why this sort of meet are more important?
See, these sort of meets are more important because a principal leads from the front, and if he is aware about the happenings of the education system, definitely he can take the school to a new height. Whatever he learns from there, he puts a kind of a team. He is the team leader, so he has to give all his effort to the team. He has to show his team the path So whatever he takes it from here, he just tries to implement it through this kind of. So this sort of meetings are more and more important.
My name is Dr. R.K. Ranawat. I am from Oxford International School, Rajkot, Gujarat.
Okay, so how come from Rajkot to Kolkata? How it is different?
Yeah, it's a difference, and we are here to learn so many things from our senior, those who are called the experienced principals, and we want to implement the same thing that is accepted by all India as Indian principals. We want to implement the same thing, and we want to discuss the challenges that is faced by the principals.
Okay, what is your main objective to attend this meet?
The main purpose of this thing is to learn the new technique to handle the different challenges.
My name is Sumit Arora and I'm from JDS International School, Padrona.
Okay, since how many years you are principal, sir?
So this is my first year as a principal.
Okay, how do you define principal's job in education system?
So it's a principal's role is a very much important role, and because they used to lead the school, and the school leaders, all the teachers, students, they are the mentor for everybody basically.
Okay, how this sort of meet makes different in life?
Pardon?
How this sort of meet helps principal?
So obviously this meet will help in a lot of the principals. The principals like me, those who are having the very little experience in this field, so they are going to grow in their education, their knowledge, and how they are going to tackle all the problems of the schools, and how we are going to lead our school to the next level.
Okay.
I'm Kavita Sharma from Maharishi Vidya Mandir School, Ambala.
So how come from Ambala to Kolkata? What did you take here?
It's a very good experience because I'm also a fresher person. Like I have got 5 years experience as a principal. So I just want to interact with the people and the high grade intellectuals to learn a lot of things from them and their experiences.
Okay. How do you see this meet helps principals?
It's a great experience. Like I have seen whatever the flow chart has been given to us, a lot of high class people, they're going to speak, and I want to learn from them that what all new aspects I can I can handle in my school also, new motivational things, experiences. I want to learn that.
Myself, SP Sinha, Principal Techno India Group Public School, Balurghat.
Okay. And how do you feel, sir, this kind of meet help principals?
See, we are of the same communities, and today we are just meeting together to think about that how the system could make more excel.
Okay. What is your main objective to attend this meet?
The main objective is that to discuss all those issues which we are facing at this time and make our students update so that they can face all the upcoming challenges of their life.
Okay. What are the key challenges faced by school principal nowadays?
Key challenges are that so many things are that because we have the heterogeneous cultures, the students from the different parts are coming to our schools, they have the different cultures, so they are coming to the different cultures and coming to a school where the singular culture is given. The parents have also so much ambitions nowadays. So culminating all these problems, we have to give a single solution so that the students could go when in the outer world they can give their best.
I'm Mrs. Manju Menon, coming from Bombay. My school's name is Sahyadri Valley Public School.
Okay. Is this first time in Kolkata?
No, I have already come to Calcutta before also.
Okay. What are the expectations from this summit?
Great expectation. I'm expecting to get a lot more from here, and I'm sure it will be done.
Okay. School name, please.
Myself, Mrs. Shamshunisa Begum from Chennai. This is my first experience like coming out of my state. Once I saw this about this international summit, I was so embarrassed, and I was very much interested to join and share my views, and I can learn many things from. Actually, I'm from Chennai, Shivandi Public School principal.
Stay tuned, everyone. We are going to have some more interviews of many dignitaries around the world. Stay tuned. Thank you very much.